Okay, so what do we have? First of all, this tells me this, right, which is equivalent to the system 2C1 plus C2 equals X1, C1 equals X2, C1 plus C2 equals X3. Now you can solve that system pretty easily. C1 be your X2, right? So that C2 would be X1 minus 4X2, okay? But if that's the case, C1 plus C2 is not going to be equal to X3, unless X3 happens to equal X2 plus whatever I said here, okay? Make sense? So in the first place, if you try to solve this system, you got too many equations. You've only got two unknowns. 3 equations and 2 unknowns, okay? Only for certain vectors here will it be the case, right? Okay. Now, you go to the matrix. You have this matrix equation. You're not going to be able to invert this matrix. It's not square. But you can write the augmented matrix. And reduce it. Okay? This reduces to these are asterisks. Actually, they don't look like X's. Okay? In general, you could get any 3 numbers here you wanted, depending on what X1, X2, and X3 are. You could make it equal anything, and you're going to have 0 equals something that isn't 0, or you can get something 0 equals something that isn't 0, right? Okay? So 0 equals something that's non-zero is what you would get from this last row. Okay? So there's no solution. And for most x1, x2, x3, you would have no solution, because for most x1, x2, x3, that's exactly what you're going to get, 3 non-zeros. Okay? Make sense? Okay, well, geometrically, some multiples of 2 vectors in 3-dimensional space form a plane. in R3. Unless one of them's a multiple of the other, in which case it just forms a line. Okay? A proper subspace, a subspace which is not equal to R3. Okay? So that's one example. So these things, conclusion, the set of the consisting of these two vectors is not a basis of R3. Okay? Now I'll assert one thing. It'd be great if you could prove it. Okay? Any set of three linearly independent vectors in R3 is a basis of R3. Okay? So I'll kind of guide you through a proof, and I'll give you a couple of minutes. Or maybe I'll just decide to let you puzzle on it until Thursday, see if you get it by then, and then give you some hints. Okay? It's real straightforward once you see it. Maybe give you a chance to see if you can see it without anybody telling you about it. Okay? So